Ni mwihoko wakwa mwirori wa Kameme TV ni uthiete na mbere kwagiriru ni muthenya waku umuthi ari tariki 7 aramithi ya mweri wa 11 na uririkane no turatara thiko ni amwitigairie o thiko nini ta 50 uguo igutukorwo tukinikiria mwaka uyu wa 2024 no ndi haha ni guguru gikumenyithia maria mahanikite gukinyiria ithaa-ini riri mohoro-ini maitu ma thaa 7 mohoro gitauni njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndungu na metha-ini ya utauri twina Nyambura wa Moshana tukwambiria na riboti ciegie maabitha borithi kuria munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja areganite na riboti ati maabitha borithi nio makoretwo magitabania cieko cia kunyita andu migwate undu umwe na njuragano cia unyamu akiuga owira wao kuragwo ri guikia ngono aria othe makuruhanitio na kamakuruhanitio na uni wa watho na kumakinyia igoti-ini kuringana na Kanja Kenya 57 nio merikanite kunyitwo migwate ihinda-ini ria mieri ina mihituku kuria 22 mahonoketio ni borithi mari muoyo nao 29 matiri maramenyeka kuria mari na angi 6 kuonekana makuite. Reke twamukira riboti ino na njira ya imwe kwa imwe.
To date as shown in the table below. Is not there in the police. So normal police, the National Police Service has since recorded a total of 57 cases of kidnappings and abductions that were reported countrywide from June 2024 to date as shown below. Number one, we have got all the 57 cases are detailed there. And we can start from number one. There is a case from Mayale. The name of the missing is, there are 2 in number. We have got one lady and another one. Circumstances of the case are also provided there. All the details are there. And the status of the case, this case is pending an investigation. So those are the 2 Chinese who are abducted actually in Mayare, and their whereabouts still remains unknown. So the case is pending under investigation. In Isiolo, we have got 3 cases reported. The names of the suspects who did the kidnapping not yet known. The circumstances of the case again is also provided. We have gone ahead and habeas corpus. A case was filed in Isiolo High Court. Better. Again, we have a report, a missing names of the suspect. Remains unknown. However, on our side,
na riboti hiyo ya Inspector General wa borithi Douglas Kanja agitaria unyitani wa migwate yukwemiamukira na njira nyandanduku mohoro-ini maitu maria mararumira. Tuthie riboti-ini ingi ugima wa mwiri kuria Minister ugima wa mwiri Deborah Baraza ni akinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi ugima wa mwiri niguo gutariria maingi megie uruti wira wa mubango wa ugima wa mwiri wa SHA kana SHA. Ningi Baraza no atanyitwo kuheana utheri wa haria marihi ma maabitha a urigitani ya CHPS makinyitie kuona kwa ihinda ria mieri kihiri riu maabitha ya matikoretwo makiamukira mbeca ciao. Reke twamukire riboti ino kuma cikaro cia bunge.
Honorable Chair, honorable members, number 1, means testing kit is for everyone who is not on payroll. Number 2, honorable Chair, to the questions regarding our the honorable member, is that I have forgotten the second question.
How much?
or how much is payable, Honorable Chair, is determined by the answers, the responses to the about 15, 16 questions that comprise the means testing instrument. So there are people who will respond and get 10,000 shillings every month, depending on your lifestyle and your level of income.
And those who will lie, they might give false information.
Yeah. Now, the system has some level of intelligence, so the system has a level of intelligence that should be able to pick a lie here and there, and we have a way over time. Lies are able to catch up with you. One of the reasons I don't lie, Honorable Chair, is because I know lies
catch up. It is not you who is lying.
Number three.
We are talking of somebody outside there who is lying to the system, not giving the correct information.
So the number 3 question is actually a technical question that requires the attention of DHA. If indeed a person who has selected that they are employed, no, they are employed, and indeed they have even paid the 2.75.
They're still asking them to pay.
And then it is asking for means. That is something that requires action from a system perspective.
DHA?
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I think I will have to check that because how the rules are, even if you have not done your means testing, you won't be able to pay. And I have faced a lot of challenges of Kenyans who are saying, I want to pay, but I'm not able to pay. But when I look at the system, I tell them, you have not done means testing. I think there was a notion that you can actually just pay the minimum and just go ahead and pay, so we put that rules. Even for employer, I think you shouldn't be able to do that. I need to check that specific case, but the rules are very clear that if you have chosen employed, then you are not requested to direct payment.
Honorable Madenge, you have one banning, which is just
Chair.
One question, then Honorable Elaji banning, then I close it.
Chair.
They might not respond to some of them because when you keep on asking, it becomes a problem and time is running out.
Chair, under the NHIF system, we had indigents who are being already paid for by government. What with the coming in of SHA,
give him the fate of those indigents.
And
just
the migration,
be brief.
what has happened to the indigents?
The fate of those indigents. Go ahead. CEO.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chair. Analysis of those indigents showed that indeed there are people who were supposed to pay much more than they were paying as indigents because their income levels were
Indigents
different.
were not paying anything.
No, they were being paid for.
By government.
By government.
Yes.
So some government was paying 500 shillings, and if their lifestyles and others were looked at, it came out they fitted in the category of 1,700. So as SHA is coming up, what the SHE Act says, Honorable Chair and Honorable Members, is that everybody will go through the means testing process. When the means testing process proves
that is not in the Act, and you know this committee is the one which did the Act.
Mhm.
It is not there in the Act.
Thank you, Chair. I think for indigents, it's the Ministry of Responsible is the one which is supposed to declare and pay for the indigents. And that's the process.
So what is the fate of those who are indigents? Those who have been registered as indigents?
Those who are transitioned, those who are paid for or declared, still remain active. It's just nuance. Yes. Those who are declared as indigents prior to the beginning of the new financial year are still active, and they are the ones who will be paid for by the ministry that's responsible.
Is it possible for us to get the list of all the indigents?
Yes.
Okay.
The ones who have been declared by the ministry.
How soon can we get the list of the indigents? And aggregate them per constituency?
Oh, that's fine.
How soon can we get it, Chair?
By next week.
Next week when?
Friday.
Friday next week?
Yes.
Okay. Hassan, you'll get that list.
Chair.
Let's just please. Honorable Elaji, you had something burning.
Yes.
You know, if I don't control, you guys will talk until 2, and I and I have the House to go for the third reading of the Kenya Drugs Authority. You know, you people don't, at times you disappear.
I'm so brave.
Yes, so.
They all disappeared, Chair.
They disappeared yesterday. I remained with the Honorable Elijah.
I think I'm
Yes,
all serious.
so I have to catch you guys. Yes.
Chair, for me, what I...
Tugitigana na icio ciĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kuma ciikaro-inĩ cia mbunge tũgũkĩra ciĩgiĩ igeranio cia KCSE iria irathiĩ na mbere na Minister wa Gĩthomo Julius Migos Ogamba nĩarutĩte mũkana mũritũ kũrĩ arũgamĩrĩri a igeranio iria irathiĩ na mbere kwaga gwĩkuruhania na ũni wa watho wa kũrũgamĩrĩra igeranio ici. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya kũhingũra container cia igeranio ici wabici-inĩ cia mũnini wa County Commissioner wa gĩcigo gĩa Nyali, kaunti ya Mombasa, Migos augĩte thirikari nĩ igacĩrithĩtie mĩtaratara ya kũhĩtana na ũici wa igeranio ici. Oho nĩongereire waki wa irathi cia arutwo arĩa maraingĩra grade ya kenda nĩ ũrathiĩ na mbere na nĩ igũkorwo irĩkĩrĩ ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire.
Can do. In most other instances, the classrooms have been done and they have been completed with that 1 million. In fact, in some schools in Machakos, they spent the 1 million and saved money out of that 1 million and managed to do ablution blocks. And we were very happy with that kind of use of resources because they were prudent in how they were using those resources. So it is not completely true that the 1 million is not enough. There was an assessment, BQs were done, and it is equivalent, and we've seen the 3,500 classrooms that have already been done with that 1 million shillings, and they are complete. The timelines per class is between 4 and 8 weeks. Every time and the starting, the arrangement was they do not start the construction unless the money is in the school accounts. That way there is no question of delay, there is no question of variation. So once they start, they don't stop. The process continues and they...
na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere na kwĩrithĩria arutwo arĩa mareka igeranio ici ũhotani. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere, President William Ruto nĩahinyĩrĩirie bata wa ũnyitanĩri thĩinĩ wa thĩ nĩguo kũng'ethanĩra na ng'aragu na gũtigĩrĩra kũrĩ na wongerereku wa irio kũringana na ũingĩ wa andũ. Akĩaria harĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Ethiopia hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano gĩa kwarĩrĩria ng'aragu, President Ruto augĩte no nginyagia thirikari ithondeke mĩtaratara ya gũtigĩrĩra gũtirĩ na ũnyihu wa irio. Kĩgomano kĩrĩa gĩkinyĩtio nĩ andũ matanyihĩire 1,500 mwena honge itiganĩte cia ũrũmwe wa mabũrũri, honge cia kĩmbeca na honge cia andũ kĩũmbe. Tukiuma Ethiopia tuhunduke na mũciĩ nginyagia kaunti ya Kiambu. Maabitha a borithi kuma Juja kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu nĩ mahithũkĩtie rita 480 cia ethano hamwe na mĩthemba ngũrani ya njohi cia maigĩrĩra iria ikoretwo igĩthondekerwo nyũmba-inĩ ĩmwe ya gũikarwo itũũra-inĩ rĩa Theta. Hĩndĩ ya birigiceni ĩno andũ 8 maraikirio ngono na kamanda wa borithi wa kaunti ya Kiambu Michael Mushiri augĩte oho nĩ marahithũkirie maratathi ma KRA nyũmba-inĩ ĩno marĩa makoretwo magĩbandĩkwo njohi-inĩ ici. Riboti ĩno ĩna Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.
Ĩno nĩ mĩtukanio ya njohi tiganĩte cia maigĩrĩra iria irahithũkirio nĩ maabitha borithi kuma Juja kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu. Indo ici iria nĩ hamwe na rita 480 cia ithano na maratathi maya ma KRA irahithũkirio nyũmba-inĩ ĩno ya gũikarwo mwena wa Theta. Njohi ĩno ĩgĩkũĩrwo ĩkoretwo ĩkĩenderio aikari na matũũra marĩa marigicĩirie. Kamanda wa borithi wa Kiambu Michael Muchiri uria uratongoragia birigiceni ino akiuga muthondeki wa njohi ino akoretwo akihuthira maratathi maya ma KRA ma maheni niguo kwihithania ndakarihe igoti na oho niguo muingi uheneke ati njohi ino ni nginyaniru.
We found 480 liters of ethanol. It's already here with us. On top of that, we've been able to get some 163 cartons of assorted second generation alcohol. These are products, of course, that are dirty, prepared in a bad way, and they are completely a health hazard. The other item that we've been able to find is one roll of KRA stickers.
Muchiri ni ongereire kuga ati no marahotire kuhithukia ngari imwe iria iraihũrĩtio cuba cia njohi gũkũ agicokeria aikari ngatho ni ũndũ wa kuhithuria ndeto ĩno kũrĩ maabitha a borithi.
We've also been able to find some 300 cartons of empty bottles. These are bottles that are believed to where this product is eventually put in. With us here is a motor vehicle. It's a Noah type. It's loaded with cartons of empty bottles. We must sincerely thank the community because without the involvement of the community in such operations, we can do very, very little.
Amwe a aikari a itura riri ni mamaketio ni ndeto ino makiuga gutiri mihango mingi yonekanaga igithii na mbere mathaini ma muthenya nyumba-ini ino na uguo magikuira mwene kiganda giki akoretwo agibokera njohi cia rathondeka mathaini motuku na gucitwara cienderi-ini itiganite.
Kumagatwa maka muno ni kona njohi irugairwo guku undu tutaroi no manake oto nitukuta wira na hinya na turuta na thirikari na macibu maitu
one njohi iria irakiuraga ciana citu na koguo tutikenda undu toyo ukionekana thiini wa itura riri.
For us as security agents, we are firm in our commitment that we will not allow this. We will not have people get harmed anymore.
Hindi ya birigiceni ino andu 8 ni marikirio ngono atumia eri na arume 6 aria matanyitwo gukinywo igoti-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.
Igatho Wangui wa Muiruri. Nao manathi guothe bururi-ini ni moritio guthii na mbere na kwihotha utungata-ini wa muingi na makiria hari gukinyaniria mubango wa UHC amu makoragwo manyagitio mathibitari-ini guothe bururi-ini. Ritana riri rikitio ni anyiti itemi matiganite hindi ya kigomano kia 38 kia manathi kiria kirathii na mbere mwena wa Thika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuria manathi magomanite kurunga ciigie mogaruruku heani-ini wa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri uthunduri amwe na maundu mangi. Mwandiki wito wa kaunti ino ni Mathi Uduma.
Ni kigomano kia 38 kia manathi guothe bururi-ini kiria kirehete hamwe manathi na atongoria unioni ciao magicirira ciigie gukura kwa ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri na teknoloji itiganite. Hindi ya kigomano giki nirio moritio guthii na mbere na kwihotha heani-ini wa motungata na makiria gukinyaniria mubango wa UHC wa gukinyiria Kenya othe motungata ma ugima mwega wa mwiri hatari mihinga.
Our aim muno ni tucenjie maundu maria twikaga tigwe tuthie na mbere na gwika maundu uria mekagwo ni asocial itu kana nurses iria cia mbere ni tondu na ithuĩ ta nurses we have also to move na technology. Koguo ni ikoragwo ihinda riega muno ria gukorwo tugiikarania hamwe na exchange ideas iria twinacio.
Kuringana na minista wa ugima wa mwiri Kiambu Ndagitari Elias Maina, manathi ni itugĩ cia bata makiria hari ugima mwega wa mwiri wa muingi na itemi riao hari gutigirira Kenya mari na ugima mwega wa mwiri ti ria kuoyo na itheru.
Thibitari itirutaga wira itari na nurses na thiini wa mirutire-ini yao ya wira he mathina maria macemanagia namo kana monaga na mageka uthuthuria wa kugeria gutwiria mathina maya me mathibitari-ini ri kana mathina maya arwaru mokaga namo ri ni atia kungikwo kana ni atia ni hahangicenjio nigetha urigitani ugacirike.
Gukiri ugu Ndagitari Maina ni oritio manathi guthii na mbere na kumatha ugi makiria niguo mambatiri ikiro cia heani wa motungata kuria marutagira wira, akiuga thirikari ya Kiambu ni hariirie kumanyitirira mihango-ini ino.
Ka research kana marikia guthoma makamenya kuria kwina mathina na makamenya kihonia gia thina ucio magacoka makariria atongoria nigetha mahote nao gucenjia kuria kwagirio gucenjio na kuria kurathi wega mahote gu support nigetha muico wa horo muikari kana muikari wa Kiambu kana mundu wa Kenya agathie ateithikite na urigitani kwagira na kugacirika.
Murugamiriri munene wa manathi Kiambu Monica Kang'ethe akiuga kigomano giki ni gia bata hari manathi gucenjania meciria kuhigania makiria na gutarana niguo wanji kwatungatwo wega makiria.
Thiini wa conference ino he maundu maingi muno na ceci aitu megukorwo makiaraniria na ceci cia kuma the other 47 counties makorwo exchange maundu ma uria mekaga maundu na makiria ma mothe tukorwo tukienda kuonania uria the best practice area yumete gatagati ka conferences kana gatagati ka taking care ya patient aito thiini wa 47 counties.
Murugamiriri wa kigomano giki Michael Nyongesa akiuria manathi kwa gucoka na thutha na kuhingia mihitwa yao hari gukinyeria wanji kumotungata amugima wa mwiri wa muingi ukoragwo hocetio ciande-ini ciao.
Himizo langu ni kwamba wauguzi mtambue na kujua ya kwamba mambo ya uguzi na mambo ya UHC yamo mikononi mwenu, na watu tunaohudumia ni watoto wetu, ni ndugu zetu, ni wazazi wetu na ni watu wa jamii.
Kuma tauni-ini ya Thika, kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Matthew Ndung'u wa Mbugua.
Nĩ ngatho mwĩrĩru nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na gũtwĩrorera njĩtĩkĩrie twambe tũhũmũke nĩ ngũcokereria na mangĩ maingĩ.
Meme TV.
Your entertainment is always on with DSTV Stream. Anywhere it's on. Thrilling sports action, captivating novellas, authentic local series, late time for kids, unmissable reality, and much more.
Are you ready to party?
It's all on with DSTV Stream. Plus, it's already included in your subscription. And all you have to do is download the app and get your stream on. Anywhere.
Get ready for the thrill of a lifetime. Come and be part of Betika RX Fest as from Saturday the 9th to Sunday the 10th of November 2024 at the Kasarani Sports Stadium. Grab your tickets now at www.ticketsasa.com and eventsmtickets.com. Advance tickets for a single day are going for 500 shillings while 700 shillings at the gate, and advance tickets for the weekend pass are going for 1,000 bob while 1,400 shillings at the gate. Don't forget there will be an after party with DJ Joe Mfalme, K Washira and DJ Youngwa. Join us for an unforgettable experience.
I couldn't imagine leaving my children. Who I was going to leave my children with?
Kisumu Pacho. Get ready this November 10th. K24 TV brings you a powerful edition of Get Real, broadcasting live from Kisumu City. We'll be diving deep into a topic that affects us all: gender-based violence.
This is the reason why people kill men. Just for this reason, that you might have feel a sense of justice.
Hear from survivors, activists and community leaders as they share their stories, struggles and solutions to ending violence in our homes, schools and communities.
First of all, I want to show that I overcame. First of all, I want to show that there is pain in this process and that the reality of this thing, it takes time.
Join us as we tackle tough questions, uncover hidden truths and inspire real change.
We need something just more than apology, something just much more than money, something just much more than compensation.
Get Real, where voices are heard, stories are shared, and solutions are found. Don't miss this important conversation only on K24 TV.
Gagutia muno we uraturumirira kuria nenda-ini Kameme TV Kenya na kuria YouTube no Kameme TV Kenya. Riu tugithie na mbere riri mungithaniro na atongoria na hau kabere mathiete na mbere na kuruta thirikari mahitia ni undu wa mamwe ma maingi ari hamwe na magoti ma iguru mibango itari miarire na kinyi ya marihi ma urigiti ithomo kia iguru gatagati ka mangi ona abunge na atongoria a na hau kabere kaunti-ini ya Murang'a matongoretio ni muteti Peter Kenneth